Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to upload Distrokid new music. So let's start. First you open your Distrokid account or Distrokid website, then upload button click. So now choose your store, which store you upload. So I all store select, then your song, how to song upload. So now I am select one song, then yes or no. So now you select no. So now you choose your cover artist profile, so you select your artist. So now I am select my artist picture, then open. So now select your primary genre. So now I am select rock, then you select. So now I am select Germany folk, then your song title, then you upload your music. So after you must be need music and layers credit, so I am provide. So I already type my music and layers credit, then you have chose yes or no. Yes, then after you can upload audio mark website. This is your choice. Then something rules unmark, you all select. Now all is work finished, so you click done. This is finished. Now upload your music and stock it. I hope 1 or 2 days your music release other store exam Spotify, Amazon, etc music platform. I hope understanding this video. Please subscribe my channel and share